Welcome. If you've blocked someone on Instagram and now want to unblock them using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the new and updated steps to unblock someone on Instagram from your desktop. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Instagram.com. If you're not logged in yet, just enter your username and password to sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your homepage, ready to begin. Now, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options. At the bottom of this menu, you'll notice an option that says, More. Click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with additional settings. From this menu, click on Settings. This will bring you to the Settings page, where you can manage all aspects of your Instagram account. Next, scroll down the Settings page until you see the section labeled Blocked Accounts or Just Blocked. Click on this section, and you'll be taken to a list of all the people you've blocked on Instagram. Once the list loads, find the account you want to unblock. Next to their name, you'll see an Unblock button. Simply click on it. A pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm that you really want to unblock this person. Don't worry, Instagram won't notify them that you've unblocked them, so it's completely private. After confirming, the person will be unblocked, meaning they can view your profile and message you again. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone on Instagram using your PC. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides.